Good morning, all of you. This is Jyoti, pupil teacher of science from Dr. Ganesh Das DAV College of Education for Women, Karnal. We have already studied about the concept and definition of transportation. Today, we will study about the transportations in animal. In higher animals, including human being, there is a circulatory system for transportation of different substances. These substances include digested food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, excretory waste, etc. The circulatory system in the higher animals consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Let us discuss them in detail now. So first of all, we study about the heart. What is the heart? The heart is a hollow muscle present in the left side of the chest. What is the heart? Heart is a hollow muscle present in left side of the chest. A muscular wall called septa divide the heart lengthwise into two sides, left and right. In this diagram, we can see this is a muscular wall which divide this heart into two sides. This is left side and this is right side. A valve divide the each side into two chamber. Upper chamber is called atrium. This is atrium, and lower chamber is called ventricle. Thus, there are two atrium and two ventricle. So, the heart of human being is known as the four-chamber heart. When heart muscles contract, they squeeze the blood through the atria and then through the ventricle. Oxygenated blood from the lungs flow into the left atrium and then to all parts of the body. Deoxygenated blood returning from the body flow into the right atrium and then to the lungs for the oxygenation. Means the deoxygenated blood is come from the all parts of the body, come into the right atrium and then goes to the right ventricle, and from the right ventricle this is goes to the lungs for the oxygenation. Then after purifications or after become oxygenated, the blood come back to the left atrium, and from the left atrium it goes to the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle it goes to the all parts of the body through the aorta. There is a complete circulation of blood through the heart. In this video, we can understand the whole process of circulation of blood by the heart. Let's see this video.
The heart is the central organ for pumping the blood throughout the body. Heart is made up of strong cardiac muscles. Heart pumps liquid blood, a tissue which transports nutrients, gases, waste, etc. along with it. The right upper atrium receives deoxygenated blood from whole body, which is pumped into right ventricle below, and it sends the blood to lungs for oxygenation via pulmonary artery. After oxygenation, blood travels through pulmonary vein and is received in upper left chamber, that is left atrium, which pumps it into left ventricle below. Then it is pumped into aorta, which is source many arteries which carries oxygenated blood to different parts of body. Arteries get divided into very narrow blood capillaries where exchange of substances takes place. Capillaries forms a web-like network to reach maximum cells. Capillaries join together to form veins. Isn't it a sophisticated system?
Thus, we have seen the whole process of circulation by the heart in this video. Now, we will discuss about the important function of the heart. The first function is it pumping oxygenated blood to the all parts of the body. Means it supply the oxygenated blood or pure blood to the all parts of the body. Then second, it pumping hormones and other vital substances to different parts of the body. Then it receiving deoxygenated blood and pumping it to the lungs for oxygenation. Fourth important fact is that it helpful in maintaining blood pressure. These all are the important function of the heart. Now we will discuss about the blood vessels. What is blood vessels? These are an intricate network of tubes that transport blood to the entire body. Is known as the blood vessels. What is the blood vessels? These are an intricate network of tubes that transport blood to the entire body is known as the blood vessels. These are three types. First is the arteries, second is the veins, and third is the capillaries. So firstly, we discuss about arteries. What is arteries? These carry oxygenated blood from the heart to all other parts of the body. As blood flow through the arteries at a high pressure, they have thick elastic wall. Then second is the capillaries. What is capillaries? The arteries branch out into smaller tubes when they enter the different organs of the body is known as the capillaries. In this diagram, we can see these are the arteries. When these arteries enter into an organ, this divided into small branches. This is known as the capillaries. Next is the veins. What is the veins? Capillaries comes together and form veins. This all capillaries comes together and this forms veins. The red color is shown the veins. Capillaries comes together and form veins. This blood enters an organ through the arteries, get distributed, collect various substances from the organ and then moves out of it through for the veins. Veins carry the oxygenate deficient, or we can say deoxygenated blood, and carbon dioxide rich blood back to the heart. Veins have thinner walls as compared to arteries, as the blood flow through them have a low pressure. Veins have valve that stop the backflow of the blood. This is the significance of this valve. They stop the backflow of the blood. So blood flow in one direction only towards the heart. This is the importance of valve that is present only on the veins, which prevent the backflow of the blood. So we have studied three types of blood vessels, that is arteries, veins, capillaries. These all have a great or vital role in the circulatory system. Now you all tell me about this question. How many chambered heart is found in human being? There are 4 chambered heart is found in human being. Then define the heart. Heart is a muscular organ present in the left side of the chest. Then defined blood vessels. What is blood vessels? These are an intricate network of tubes that transport blood to the entire body, is known as the blood vessels. Then why do the arteries have thick and elastic wall? Because in arteries there is high pressure of the blood. That's why these have thick and elastic wall. This is your homework. First question, what is the function of the valve in the veins? What is the function of the valve in the veins? Valves stop the backflow of the blood, and so there is only one directional flow, that is towards the heart. Second is, write about the important function of the heart. What is the important function of the heart? It supply the blood to the all parts of the body. It supply the hormones and other essential substances to the all parts of the body. It maintain the blood pressure. Then explain the whole circulatory process that you have seen in the video. You have to explain complete circulatory process that you understand from the video in your own words. This is your homework, and you all have to do these questions on your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.